today, most of us are working on the tiny house.
What we have behind me is a tiny house on a 24-foot trailer that our students have constructed. Yeah, this is the first time that our students have took on a project on wheels. It's meant to be parked on a property kind of long-term and hooked up to permanent utilities.
So the vision of the interior is that the upper part would either be storage or sleeping area. This side that we're currently on would be the kitchen. The middle part right behind you would be the living area.
I've always been a physical learner. When I'm sitting down all day at school just reading from a textbook, it's kind of hard for me to concentrate, especially if all of my classes are like that. So having this class is a nice break and something that I see myself doing in the future.
The other thing that we're teaching our students is real-world application and work ethic and skills and that they can use to go out and get a job.
It's so nice to see it come together.
Exterior, nearly finished. Inside can be designed to your own specifications. We have the electrical rough-in is started. We have a plan for how the plumbing would go. A full kitchen, full bathroom, and finish it as you like. So we're hoping that somebody will walk away from this tonight for $20,000 and we won't have to park it back behind the school on Monday.